So now coming to the last exercise of this chapter, और यहाँ पर हम सीखने वाले हैं some rule of exponents. So now let us see the first question. It says find 64 to the power 1 by 2. Up wait, number 1. Find 64 to the power 1 by 2. अब 64 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 to the power 6 होता है हमारा 64 और होल टू द पावर 1 by 2. अब इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 6 by 2, that is equals to 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. That means the answer is 8. Similarly, question 2, it says 32 to the power 1 by 5. अब 32 को भी हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. ये बन गया 4, ये बन गया 4, ये आ गया 2. 4 4 जा होता है 16 और ये हो गया 2. 16 times 2 equals to 32. So 2 to the power 5 is 32. Now 2 to the power 5 is 32 and whole to the power 1 by 5. That implies 2 to the power 5 by 5, which is equals to 2, as 5 and 5 will cancel each other. Let me change the color. Okay. Now question number 3, it says 125 to the power 1 by 3. Now 125 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 5 times is 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. That means 5 cube will be 125 and whole to the power 1 by 3. This and this will cancel each other and we'll get the remaining as only 5. So I hope this much is clear to you. Now the question number 2 says find 9 to the power 3 by 2, 32 to the power 3 by 5, 16 to the power 3 by 4 and 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. चलिए एक एक करके अब हम सॉल्व करते हैं. Number 1, 9 to the power 3 by 2. इसे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 by 2, because 3 square is equals to 9. 9 to the power 3 by 2. अब यहाँ पे we'll multiply this and we'll get 2 into 3 by 2. Now the numerator 2 and denominator 2 will cancel each other and the remaining will be 3 cube, which is equals to 27. Similarly, second को भी solve करेंगे. 32 to the power 2 by 5. Now हमने question number 1 के 2 में भी देखा था. 32 is 2 to the power 5 and outside we have 2 by 5. Now again this will multiply each other. That will give 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 will cancel each other and the remaining is 2 square, which is equals to 4. Third question, 16 to the power 3 by 4. ना 16 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 to the power 4, यस 2 to the power 4, और बाहर पे है हमारा 3/4. Again we'll use the same technique. 4 times 3/4, 4 and 4 will cancel each other. The remaining part is 2 cube, which is equals to 8. And the last question number 4, 125 to the power minus 1/3. That implies 5 cube whole to the power minus 1/3. That is equals to 5 to the power 3 into minus 1/3. 3 and 3 will cancel each other. Whatever remains is 5 to the power minus 1. Now 5 to the power minus 1 can also be written as 1/5. Therefore, these are our required answers. For 1, it will be 27, 2 is 4, 3 is 8, and 4 is 1/5. Now coming to question number 3, we are asked to simplify the given questions. So number 1 says 2 to the power 2/3 into 2 to the power 1/5. Now we know a formula that so we know a formula a to the power m into a to the power n is equals to a to the power m plus n. Now here also we are going to use the same trick. Number 1, 2 to the power 2/3 into 2 to the power 1/5. This can be written as 2 to the power 2/3 plus 1/5. Okay, now question number 1 says 2 to the power 2/3 into 2 to the power 1/5, which is equals to 2 to the power 2/3 plus 1/5. अब यहाँ पे हम LCM लेंगे and 5 times 3 is 15. 3 times 5 is 15, so 5 times 2 is 10 plus 5 times 3 is 15 and 3 times 1 is 3. Hence we will get 2 to the power 13/15. Question number 2. It says 1/3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. Now this can be written as 1 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 3 into 7. Now 1 to the power 7 will always be 1 and 3 to the power 7 times 3 is 21. Now this can also be written as 3 to the power minus 21. Next, question number 3, it says 11 to the power 1/2 and 11 to the power 1/4. Again, we know the formula a to the power m divided by a to the power n will always give a to the power m minus n. अब यहाँ पे भी हम वही टेक्निक यूज करेंगे, which will give us 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Now here LCM will be 4 and 2 times 2 is 4, 2 minus 1, which will be 11 to the power 1 by 4. Next, the fourth question, 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. This can be written as 7 into 8 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now 7 times 8 is 56 whole to the power 1 by 2, and 56 can be written as 56 will always be 56, then the answer is 56 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so with this we complete exercise 1.5 and the whole chapter chapter 1.